Hello everyone! Today's topic is healthy snacks options you can add in your diet to make it nutritious. Yes, I know you are fed up with unhealthy snacks options. For your fitness, here are 6 options for you. 1. Grab a piece of fruit like apple, banana, orange, berries or grapes as a snack when you get hungry. I am saying fruits because they are packed with vitamins, fibers and natural sugar which help you stay active. 2. Opt for a handful of nuts like almond, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds. Nuts, because they are filled with healthy fats which your body needs to do a lot of functions, like hormone balance, organ health. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium for your muscles and bone health. You can have fresh fruits like berries and have some honey with it for extra flavor. 5. Vegetables like carrots, cucumber, bell peppers or celery to lower your craving for any unhealthy snacks choices. Vegetables are always very nutritious to your body. 6. Whole grain rice cake with thin spread of nut butter. When you have cravings for sweet, you can choose this option to satisfy your cravings. It particularly offers you a combination of all macronutrients. Now, the choice is what you want to consume as a snack, healthy or unhealthy. All these choices of food items provide you nutrition and a large amount of energy to do all day-to-day activities. Remember about portion size of any food item. If you consume healthy in a larger amount, then it will also harm you only. So consider having these food items in proportional manner.